Hi, I'm Ben, Regional Sales Manager here at Stingray Boats, and today we're going to take a look at the 236 center console. So come on board. This boat has a full array of cushions, backrests in the bow. All of these cushions are removable so that you have a non-skid casting platform if you're going out for a fishing day. Behind that we have storage on the floor. We have another hatch here that is going to have your cast net bucket storage. Under both seats, port and starboard, you have plenty of storage here. All of these are drained out the side of the boat, not into the bilge. Forward helm seat, you're going to have a secondary live well. Coming back from that, this boat is equipped with a freshwater system. So not only are you going to have a hose and a raw water, but you're going to have a freshwater sink here as well. Coming further back, you've got inside the gunnels here, you have slide tackle storage. Over here, you're going to have a trash can for your guests. Coming back further, we have rod storage in the gunnels. This boat is equipped with a Fusion stereo and a 4-speaker stereo system. This is a fiberglass T-top. It is an option to have the underside of your T-top color matched to the hull of your boat. We also offer this in a soft canvas T-top. Also up in here, you have your storage, you have room to mount your VHF radio, and your accessory switches are here in the middle. Coming to the helm here, this boat is optioned out with a 12-inch Garmin. You have your Yamaha command link gauges. This boat has a Yamaha 200 on it. We also offer Suzuki and Mercury from Stingray. Coming further back, if you notice your helm seats, flip up bolsters here. It's going to give you comfort and more height when you're coming to the dock. On the T-top, rocket launchers, rod holders behind the helm seat, also rod holders down the gunnels and across the transom. Cup holders all throughout the boat. This is a family fishing entertaining boat. You've got jump seats back here in the back of the boat. Under the port side, you're going to have your cast net bucket storage. On the starboard side, you're going to have your battery access for your motor. We have storage under this one. This one has your secondary live well. If you come to the back of the boat, you can take these cushions off, also more non-skid casting platform. The back of the boat, the sponsons wrap the motor so you actually have a usable swim platform for your family. Offset ladder keeps your family away from the motor as you're climbing back and forth off the boat. This boat comes with an Engel roto-molded cooler. Also inside the helm, we have a pump-out toilet. That is an option. And again, I'm Ben with Stingray Boats. For more information on this boat, options and colors, please visit stingrayboats.com. Thanks.